What's up, ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update your Windows quickly using a Windows update tool in a control panel. This method will work for Windows 10 too. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's learn how to do that. Right click on Windows icon in taskbar and then click on control panel. Then go down a bit and click Windows update. Then simply click check for updates. Make sure you're connected with the internet. Now Windows automatically searches best possible updates according to your system. It may take a few minutes. After it will show you what to install. Simply go for important updates option. However, you may go for the optional updates. But in most cases, Windows Server will already compile Windows updates for your system. So simply choose this option and click Install Updates, and it will start downloading updates and will be installed automatically. At the end, it will show you a confirmation message and just restart your PC, and that's it. Thumbs up this video if you liked, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.